Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up a Google Authenticator for Facebook. Now first of all, I want to apologize for not being able to do a screen recording because Google Authenticator blocks screen recordings and all you see is a black screen due to security reasons. Now what I'm going to do is I'll come on this phone and I'll open my Facebook. So here we go, come here at the top right, click on your profile icon. And from here, I want you to go ahead and click on this gear cog to access your settings. From here, click on See More in Account Center. Okay. Click on Password and Security under Account Settings. And then come here, click on a two-factor authentication. Choose your Facebook account. Okay. And on this page, I want you to make sure that you have authentication app selected. Click on Next, and we will get two different options. So option number one would be to copy the key and use it in your Google Authenticator if you're using the same device. If you're using another device, click on View Barcode or QR code. We will get our QR code right here, and I will scan this using the other device. So I'll just come here and click on this plus icon at the bottom right. Click on Scan a QR code. And let's scan this one right here. And as you can see, our Facebook has been set up. Really that easy and simple.